I'm sure you must have heard of that most of the businesses get closed because of lack of time, money, and resources. Bullshit. Businesses get closed because of lack of new customers. If you do not have mechanism or process of getting new customers regularly, you cannot sustain in the business. Hi, my name is Ayaz Muhammad. I'm a lead generation consultant and affiliate marketing coach. In last 3 years, I have trained more than 10,000 people how to make money online doing affiliate marketing business using organic lead generation method. If you are an internet marketer, if you are an affiliate marketer, if you are into network marketing or you're doing online business, you're trying to make money online, but you're not getting success, then this video is for you, right? So I have something very important to share with you. See, you must have you might be having amazing product to promote, but still you're not getting success. You might be seeing that some more people or many other people are getting huge success selling the same product, but you are not getting. Why? What is the difference? Why you are not getting success and somebody else getting success selling the same product? See, to get success in online business, you need two things. One, an amazing product, and the second is quality leads, traffic, right? Quality leads. That's the difference. Now, since the product is common, what you are selling is the same product if somebody else is selling, but he's getting success, you are not getting success. Then what could be the difference? Of course, the quality leads. Leads are very, very important. Even if you have one of the world's best product, but if you are not able to generate quality leads, you will not get success in online business. All right. So quality leads is very, very important. Now, you might have done many things to generate good leads. You might be getting a lot of leads. You might be saying that, no, I'm getting a lot of leads, but still I'm not getting sales. You know why? Most of the people, I will say, waste their time, most of the time, in managing junk leads, right? The leads which are not interested, or the leads which are not matching, which are not rightly targeted, people waste their lot of time on that. So you need to learn how to get qualified leads, the leads who are ready to do business with you, the leads who are ready to make purchase for your product. That's the kind of leads you want, who will be highly qualified leads, not the junk leads. Otherwise, if you will be wasting a lot of time on junk leads, you will not have enough time to work on quality leads. And that's why most of the people fail in online business, right? You must be running some ads in Facebook ads, Google ads, and you will be getting traffic there. You are getting clicks. People get confused between clicks and leads. That's the new difference. You might be getting a lot of clicks, but not the leads, not the quality leads. So how to get quality leads, that's what you need to learn, right? So I have a solution for you. I have created a training product, a training program, which is called as Leads Act. It's a step-by-step process. It's a step-by-step training or process, you can say, which you can learn and implement and generate quality leads, qualified leads, 25 to 30 highly qualified leads every day. And the beauty is organically. You do not have to spend any time or you do not have to spend any money on any paid ads. You don't have any marketing cost at all. You don't have to spend money on any paid ads, no Facebook ads, no Google ads, no solo ads, nothing. Without any marketing cost, organically, free, using your social media platform, you can generate 20, 25, 30 leads every day. And when I say leads, I speak about qualified leads. Like, just imagine that every day around 20 people, 25 people contact you, send you a message and say that, hey, what kind of business you are doing? What is your product? I'm very much interested. Please tell me more about it. I want to join you. I want to purchase your product. Imagine the situation. That's the kind of process what we're talking about. So if you are going through this program, this training program, which I'm going to show you right now, you will learn a step-by-step process that how you can create your Facebook profile, your social media profile as your lead magnet. That leads will automatically get attracted every single day and contact you. You don't have to chase those leads. You don't have to chase those people. They will be contacting you and they will be willing to do business with you. They'll be willing to make purchase to your product. That's the kind of leads I'm talking about. So let me share my screen. I just show you something very, very important. Yes, so this is my screen. So as I said, this is my product. This is a training product called Leads Arc. It's a step-by-step training about how to generate 25 to 30 leads every day organically, organic lead generation. So it's called Lead Arc. And a little bit about me, as I said, I'm a specialist in organic lead generation and affiliate marketing coach. I've trained more than 10,000 people how to make money online using organic lead generation method. And this is one of my affiliate platform where I earned more than 31,311 in just 1 year, 31,000 in 1 year. Why I'm showing you this, because what I'm going to teach you, I have practiced it for more than 3 years, and this is working for me. Not only me, there's so many of my team members. It's working for everyone. So this is one of the platform. Another platform, if you see, I have made more than $40,000 in just 10 months, around 10 months, more than 40,000. This is my another platform. This is like two major platforms where I generate leads, and there are many small, not small. There are many other products where I've been earning like $1,000, $1,500, $2,000. There are many other this thing. So I promote many products. Product is not important. Of course, product is important, but I'm saying which product is not important. It can be any product, but you should know how to generate leads, how to generate quality leads. So what I'm going to teach is especially for internet marketers, affiliate marketers, network marketer, all these people. This course is especially for them. That is how, whichever niche you are, whichever kind of product you have, right? How to generate quality leads organically. That's what this course is all about. So we did a small poll, kind of a small survey, okay, around few days back, and almost around 900 marketers participated in this. Internet marketers, affiliate marketers, around 900 marketers participated. And I asked them a question that what is the biggest challenge you face in your business? What is the biggest challenge? And you see 46% people told that sales conversion, and 25.6% said generating quality leads. Almost 71%, you can see here, 71 to 72% people, they are struggling. Others are also struggling. 80% people struggle in online business. You know that, right? So this 71%, the biggest challenge is either sales conversion or generating quality leads. If I address the first one, that what is the biggest challenge which they have, the sales conversion. Why? Same product, if somebody else is able to convert, you are not able to convert. That means what? Either you are not getting leads, that's why you're not getting sales, or you are getting leads, but they are not suitable. They are not qualified leads. They're junk leads. So you are spending a lot of your time on those junk leads, right? So solution is what? For both the challenges, the first one and the second one, the solution is quality leads, right? If you get quality leads, you will get sales because you have an amazing product. And if you have amazing product and you're getting quality leads, that's the best combination. Nobody can stop you to get success. So this is the solution for you, Leads Arc, that you will learn how to get 25 to 30 leads every day using organic method, using your social media profiles. So about Leads Arc, it's a step-by-step process to get 25 to 30 leads organically every day. So this is not just another course, okay? But this is not just like any other course. It's not like that. It is complete step-by-step process. So every video you will have action to take. It's not that just theory lectures or something like that. It is step-by-step process where you will get actions every day. You need to take action and you need to implement those and then get leads, right? So it's a step-by-step process training, you can say, to generate, or rather I will say to attract, not generate, to attract highly qualified leads for any product, provided you are into online business or internet marketing. Okay, so no paid ads, no solo ads, no chatbots, no websites, no banner display, no search engine optimization. Leads Arc is the solution for you. And it's Leads Arc is the newbie friendly. You might be seasoned professional or you might be newbie. Doesn't matter. Quality leads, everybody needs. Everybody needs. And this is the process for you. This is the training for you, which can teach you to generate leads, whether you are selling low ticket offers or you have high ticket offers. For every kind of offers, this works. So what you will learn inside this, the best social media strategies to generate hundreds of qualified leads every week, right? How to optimize your Facebook profile and other social media profile to hugely increase your visibility and generate leads, or I will say rather attract leads. How to publish compelling content to get you the result you want, how to find, connect, and engage with the right target audience, how to convert your Facebook profile into lead generation machine, lead magnet, to get consistent leads every day, every week, and every month, how to generate high engaging leads using Instagram, how to generate highly qualified leads using LinkedIn, how to use free leads magnet strategy to build your own list, and much more, what you're going to learn in this course. And we also have a good number of bonuses, which are not just for the bonus sake. These are like directly impacting you. These are like which values this product also. So they complement each other. That kind of bonuses we have, which you can see in the sales page. You can just scroll down and you can see. And as I told you, the process which I'm teaching you, it works for everyone. It works not only for me, it works for everyone. So many of my team members. I can show you some of my team members' Facebook profile. Let me open to my Facebook profile. And let me search. Okay, one of my team members, name is Gyamdev Gupta. He's one of my team member. And if I show you, see, you can see here, this is his 6th May uh, screenshot, 6th May post. $30,000 he has already crossed. $30,000 in one of his platform, one single platform, using my method, using my training. I show you one more. You can see. Let me show his test. You can see his 5th May. This is 5th May post, 5th May, and his earning is what, $8,500 already from one single platform, and he is already working for multiple platforms. So this is really working. This is really working. So all you have to do, follow the steps which are given in the training course, and you can see amazing result. All right. So yeah, so we are back. All right. So all you just go through this entire page. You will see many details about the product, and also you will find many testimonials from my team members who has got real results. So please go through that, and I'm hoping that you will definitely go for this course, because this is amazing product. You will learn a lot of things here, how to generate quality leads, and amazing bonuses we have, which teaches you lot many things about internet marketing and about affiliate marketing business. It's all about generating quality leads and get you success in online business, right? So thank you very much. That's all from my now. I'm hoping that you will be purchasing this product. You will be buying this product, because this is the end solution for you, that this will help you to generate quality leads, right? And you get amazing support from my side. You will be connected to our community, and there you will get all the supports whichever you have. If you are facing any problem, you're getting stuck, you need certain queries, and you will be connected to the Facebook community. I told you group, we will be adding you, and there we will be in regular touch. So it's not only about this course. There will be regular teaching, regular learning will continue in the group also. All right. So thank you very much. So let's start the healthy relationship, and wish you very all the best. Thank you.